Hi, pool guy. I have a pool with an ic40 Pentair chlorinator. The indicator lights illuminate when the pump starts up, but then the circuit breaker pops and shuts the chlorinator down in about 20 minutes. I've cleaned the chlorinator. The water is about 3,000 parts per million when tested with strips of salt. I've installed a new circuit breaker, but I don't know why the circuit breaker continues to pop or how to fix the unit. Has it aged out? Do you think I need to buy a new ic40? And Sandy is adding this question: when an ic40 starts to fail or cause issues like this, is it a good idea to try to fix it, or are there substantial issues that replacement is the best option?
Well, as a unit gets older, and I'm not sure how old this particular unit is, it's better to just replace it instead of messing with it. However, what this sounds like to me, if it's popping a breaker, is this does not sound like it's the ic40. It sounds like it's the transformer in the control box. So if this is running through like an easy touch panel or an IntelliTouch panel, in that panel where there'll be a transformer that drops the 110 or 220 volts that's coming into the panel, coming through the breaker, drops it down to 12 or 24 volts, depends on how the system's set up. I do think that they're probably 24 volt systems, but they could be 12, not sure. That doesn't matter. That's neither here nor there. There's a step down transformer in there. If you don't have a control panel and instead you just have a power center, the same thing would apply. If you follow the feedback from the unit itself that's plumbed into your system, and wherever that wires into, it's either going to be a control panel or a control box. In that box, there's a transformer. That's likely the problem. Again, if you're not an electrician and this isn't something you do all the time, I'm not exactly liking the idea of you sticking probes in there and trying to figure out with input and output voltages and things with the voltmeter, but that's something if you have a little bit of technical skills, you could. And I would guess that the issue is between the transformer and the circuit, not between the transformer and the unit itself. So that would be something to check. If not, you might want to replace the whole thing. However, if you replace the unit, but you don't replace the box, the controller, you may have the same problem. So you probably want to start first with either checking yourself or having someone else check out the line voltage in and out of the transformer.